In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate with NotebookLM. If you want to share one of your notebooks with someone else so they can access it more easily, this process is very simple. I'll walk you through it from the beginning so you can follow along smoothly, even if you're opening NotebookLM for the first time. To get started, open your preferred search engine and search for NotebookLM. This is the quickest way to find the official page if you don't already have it bookmarked. Once the search results appear, click on the official Google NotebookLM result, which should typically appear near the top. Be sure you're selecting the correct site so you're working from the official platform. After that, you'll arrive on the NotebookLM landing page. Look for the option that says Try NotebookLM and click it. This will take you into the main NotebookLM workspace, where you can view your existing notebooks and choose the one you want to share. Now, from your notebook list, select the notebook you want to collaborate on with someone else. Make sure you open the correct notebook before moving on, especially if you have several projects with similar names. Once the notebook is open, go to the top area of the page and click the Share button. This is where you manage who can access the notebook. A sharing settings window will appear. In that window, look for the current access setting. If it is set to restricted, click that option to change it. Then select anyone with a link. This setting allows people who receive the link to open the notebook without needing to be individually added first. It's a useful option when you want to share quickly and avoid manually inviting each person one by one. Before continuing, take a moment to confirm that this is the level of access you want to give. Sharing by link is convenient, but it also means that anyone who has that link may be able to open the notebook. So it's a good idea to share it only with the intended people. Once you've changed the access setting, click Save to apply the update. This is an important final step because your changes won't be fully applied until they're saved. And that's it. Your NotebookLM notebook is now set up for collaboration through a shareable link. From here, you can send that link to the person you want to collaborate with, and they'll be able to access the notebook based on the sharing settings you selected.